Okay, to make the profiles for my complex bottle, since I'll be using a loft, I need my 4 profiles. So I'm going to create the first one on the XY. And then I'm going to use a center rectangle, which I can do 2 different ways. I can either go to create, go down to rectangle, and do the center rectangle. Or if you just choose the 2-point rectangle from the shortcut menu, you can go over then to the options and change it to a center from here. And for this first one, I'm going to start it at the origin, and I'm going to make sure that it is 65 tab by 80. And then before I finish the sketch, I'm going to go ahead and round off the corners right now. Generally, it's better to do fillets after your project has been converted to 3D shapes, but in this case, it's going to be better to do the fillets beforehand. So I'm going to come up here to the fillet option, which is this one right here, and I'm going to select 2 lines and then type in 7, and then I'll just start going around clicking all the lines, making each corner, so now all 4 corners have a 7mm fillet. I'll hit OK and then finish sketch. And you can see that we get a warning on here. Once again, it's better to usually do that afterwards, but in this case, this is the best time to do it. Now I need a new sketch, and this is going to be another rectangle 100mm above, so I'm going to create my construction plane. Go to offset, create it based off of the base, type in 100, and then basically repeat that process. Create a sketch on that plane, create another center rectangle, start it from the origin. This one is going to be 80 by 100. And then I'm going to add my fillets again, but with this being a larger rectangle, I'll make these fillets a little bit bigger, so I'll make those 12. Go around clicking each line, so now I have 12mm fillets for each, and then finish that sketch. Now I want to move up to where the bottle starts to round off for the top neck, so I'm going to create another offset plane from this one, and I'm going to go up, I'll go up like 50 for this one. And then I'm going to create a circle on this one. So from the center, create a circle. I'm going to make this 40mm. And then one last one, I'm going to go up to my offset plane again, start from this one, go up 90mm for this one, create another sketch on that plane, and make a 30mm circle for this profile. And there we go. I have my 4 profiles I'm going to use to connect the loft to make my complex bottle.